All right, guys, welcome back. Just finishing up some lunch, and I'm going to wash the car. It's been spot raining on us for the last couple of days, so the cars are just got that dirt and kick up and filth on them. Anyway, I want to talk to you guys about a new product. I got new products coming in the next 2 weeks, and I better start using the new products that I have here. So let's start with MCKEE'S. They got a new one. It's called Fast Gloss Ceramic Sealant. This is something all new from the ground up. It's supposed to last up to 12 months. Easy spray on, wipe off formula. You can use it as a standalone or on top to help boost your coatings. It'll work with your graphene, your regular ceramic coatings. It doesn't matter. And it can work with just about any brand that I know of. All right. So I want to try this out. And then I'm going to be doing the RAV. It's been sitting outside there. I'm going to be washing it. So MCKEE'S has this ceramic auto wash, and they've taken away the 16-ounce size and they made it into here. But I want to show you something. This says ceramic auto wash. They have another one called SiO2 auto wash that I really, really like because I can use this in the summertime, and it gives it a little bit of gloss and slickness added into the soap, right? And I can use it in the heat. Doesn't matter. It can dry on the car, no problem. So what's the difference in this one and ceramic? Well, ceramic is highly concentrated, more SiO2 in it, all right? So you're going to get way more out of this than the SiO2 version. And it's going to be stronger. Should make your car sheet when you rinse it off, which will be easier to dry. And I'm going to use this to wash the car today. This is the new size. There will be no more 16-ounce sizes. So that's where we're going today. Stick with me. You guys can get these products at the moment, MCKEE'S 37, but they should be at Auto Forge shortly. So I'm really excited to try this new one out there. All right, let's go. Let me pull the car in, just so you guys understand. It's just dirt laying on it. You know, you can see all the filth. All right, guys, so today we're just doing a nice, easy wash. I'm just going to use the hose. I don't feel like getting out the pressure washer. I am going to show you some beading, and I put the MCKEE'S Hydro Blue Pro on here just about a week ago. Let me show you that. It's beautiful stuff. So look how gorgeous this is. The stuff's beautiful. All right, I'm going to start with the wash, and we're using the ceramic auto wash there. And it says to start with the top and work your way down. You don't want to let it dry. I'm partially in the sun, and it's a little bit cool today. I'd say it's probably 66 degrees, a little bit windy, but I'm going to start with the top, and I'm going to rinse it as soon as possible. I'll just do sections at a time, top, side, front, and back type thing. All right, guys, if you happen to let it dry, they want you to re-wash it. Don't rinse it, re-wash it, and then rinse it. All right, guys, so this soap is supposed to make the hood or the panels more hydrophilic. It's supposed to sheet the water off, so when you dry it, there's less water on there. I'm going to show you that. I'm going to rinse this top again so you can see it's already very little water on top. All right, that's pretty good. I like the way it sheets it right off. We're at a little bit of a slope here, and the water just runs right off. So let's go ahead and finish up washing the rest of the vehicle. All right, guys, let's take a look. Here's some of the suds. It's like a thick cream. All right, guys, as I'm using this, the smell's fantastic. It's like a tropical coconut scent. And I'm not noticing a lot of suds here going on the car, but there is suds. When you put it on there, you can see the soap. And I don't know how to explain that to you. I'm gonna show you in a second. And it glides very well. So let me show you what I mean. All right, you guys, so the suds are not very prominent, but you can see the soap on there. Can you see it? And it sits on there very nicely. I guess it's kind of bonding and leaving that SiO2, that ceramic. All right, so now I'm gonna let this dry on here, and I'll show you how to do it if it happens to dry. All right, so I told you I'm gonna let it dry. This is a good example of what it looks like. I'll show you on the windows. Now, they don't want you to rinse this off. What they want you to do, let me show you again before I do this. Can you see it on there? There you go. All right, and I've got it drying pretty decently here. So what they want you to do is not really rinse it off, is to get it and wash it like this. Rehydrate it. Got it up here. Then you can get your hose and rinse it. So let me finish doing that. All right, guys, I'm all done with the wash. Let me show you the hydrophobics now, and you guys can be the judge. If it's hindered it, if it's slowed it down, it's pretty good. So here's the windows. As you can see, there's no more residue. All right, guys, we've got this thing dialed in with the ceramic auto wash. The stuff works good, smells good, it stays lubricating. Look at it. It doesn't mess with the hydrophobics. It feels good. It feels good. How much, the question is now, how much, oh, look at this, look at this. No spots, that's where I let it dry. No spots, very easy. Question is, how much better is fast gloss ceramic sealant gonna make it feel? And look, I know this is gonna last on there. This will last standalone all the way up to a year. This will top, but I'm just gonna top over what I've got. I want more gloss and slickness. So let's try this out. Brand new, guys. Let's try this. All right, guys, I've got the product. I've got the bottle ready. Now it says, I like to spray the towels, but it says don't work on hot surface panels. Well, we've got a 50-50 here. It's not that hot, but I'm sure out there in the sunlight it's probably decently warm on that panel. I usually like to spray onto towels, but it says spray onto the surface. So let's try it. Maybe we'll do it both ways. All right, guys, I got my towel here. Let's give this a squirt. Let's rub it in. And it smells good. It's like and I feel it right under the towel already. Nice and smooth. Smells like a stronger version of that soap, that coconut suntan oil. Love that, Hawaiian Tropics. Now I'm gonna flip the towel to a clean side and wipe it. You know what, I see the flakes in the pearl coat more shiny. Oh yeah, that's crazy slick. Big difference, huge difference. The soap does a good job over here, but this, wow, very nice. Now guys, this can go on the paint, it can go on the trim, it can go on the glass. It can go on chrome. Just make sure you take it off right after you put it on. And boy, you can feel this underneath the towel. Very nice. Definitely. Wow. I can only imagine after 12 hours how this is gonna feel tomorrow. It's gonna feel really, really good. All right, guys, so how'd you like the video? Today we were trying out a new product. It's called Fast Gloss Ceramic Sealant. Brand new from the ground up over at MCKEE'S. Now I had to wash the vehicle first, so we used the SiO2 ceramic series. This is ceramic auto wash. It's a beefier version of the SiO2 auto wash. Smells good, smells like tropical coconut. Has some pretty good foam inside the bucket. As you get on the car, it has lots of lubricity. You don't want to let this dry. If you do let it dry on the car, just re-wash it with the soap solution. Don't rinse it yet. Wait till it's nice and washed and then rinse immediately. You want to start with the top and work your way down. This will leave SiO2 on your vehicle, a substantial amount, and it will make the water sheet off fast. Doesn't hurt any of the other beading if you have protection underneath this, all right? So very good. Then I wanted to get over to this. I was really excited to try this out. Spray this on. I sprayed it on the panels. I didn't try spraying it on the towel. Probably works pretty good that way too, but I did it the way the instructions said, sprayed on the panels. No problem in the sun panels, although it's not that hot here. I probably wouldn't be able to use this in the dead of heat summer. You'd have to pull it into the garage or do it early or late in the afternoon, early in the morning. Smells like this on steroids. Very good tropical, Hawaiian tropical suntan lotion smell. Goes on real easy. You wipe it off right away and it is slick. As soon as that towel flips, it's slick when it comes off there. The gloss is phenomenal. I'm gonna give you guys a show around the car right now, but MCKEE'S 37 has this, and I'm sure Auto Forge is gonna carry this in not too long. They just probably haven't put it up on the site over there. So guys, thanks for watching. Let me show you the results on this. Fantastic products. You got to get yourself some of this if you like slickness and gloss. Mind you, this is supposed to last up to a year. I don't know. Sprays, sealants that last up to a year. You're probably going to be using this about every quarter, once a quarter. Wouldn't hurt to use it as much as you want. It's fun, easy. You don't use a lot of it. So guys, let me just show you around the car and stop talking.